So this is the wig that I'll be working with today, and it's a completely dried out, very tangled up wig. And the tangles in this wig were looking like they were not going anywhere anytime soon, but that was a lie, because by the time I was done with them, the wig came out looking even slicker than ever. If you want to see how I did that, please do keep on watching. So for this tutorial, we'll be using a leave-in conditioner. I'll be using this one from Dark and Lovely. A spray bottle with a mixture of leave-in conditioner and water. I like to do the 50-50 ratio. That's 50% water, 50% leave-in conditioner. Some people like to do 70% leave-in conditioner and 30% water. But yeah, that's what I do. A white tooth comb. Hairbrush. Hair clips to help keep hair away while you work on some other portions. To get started, I'm going to be spraying the whole hair with this mixture of leave-in conditioner and water. So the aim here is to get the hair as saturated as possible, but not to the extent that it's dripping wet. Just get it wet enough. Then I proceed to finger comb the wig and detangling it as I go. At this point, using a comb will not work for me because of how tangled the hair is. So the best bet is to go in with the fingers and get the job done. Once I observed that the hair was becoming dry, I'll go back in with that mixture. This just helps give some slip to the hair and make the detangling process even more easier. If you ask me, I'll say this mixture right here is the star of the show. Like, it's the reason why we are gathered here, because without this leave-in conditioner and water, there's really nothing that we can do, right? Like, you can see that just by doing this first part of spraying and detangling, the hair is looking way better than what we started with. So you want to have a lot of it. At some point I ran out of it and had to make another mixture, right? So yeah, you want to have enough of it to get the job done. Not forgetting to concentrate on the nape area of your wig. I feel like that area gets tangled a lot and needs a lot of attention. So I made another leave-in conditioner water mixture, and at this point it was best to work in portions. So I've gone ahead to section of the back area. This is me working on the nape area of this wig. Saturating that whole area with the leave-in conditioner and water mixture, I'm going to be getting some of my leave-in conditioner and thoroughly massaging that into that area, as well as finger combing it as I go. So because of how much this back area is tangled, I'm going to be going in with my scissors, and I'll be using that to cut off some of the very tangled areas that were beyond repair. Disclaimer, you guys, I'm cutting off some of this hair because this wig is not a human hair, okay? This is I feel like it's more of a mixed fiber, you know, those fiber blend hair. You have some synthetic in it, you have some human hair in it, you have some other fiber in it. That's what this hair is. So please, if your wig is a human hair wig, I'm not sure that you're going to get such kind of tangles that you will not be able to remove with just finger combing it, okay? So do not cut your human hair wig. Oh, please don't say it's me that tell you to cut it. Don't cut you don't need the scissors if you're working with a human hair wig, okay? I just thought to put that out there. So once I was done with cutting out the tangled parts and trimming the hair to my desire, I went back in with some of that mixture and I sprayed that some more on the hair. And at this point I decided to try out using my comb, and it was working. It wasn't as difficult as at the first time I tried it. It was working, so I kept on using the comb to detangle it. I went back in with some of that mixture and I'm going to show you guys how easy it became later. Yes, this is more like it. You guys can see how easy it is for the comb to just pass through the hair. Then I went in with my hairbrush to even smoothen everything out. Yeah, we are done with this part and I think we did a fantastic job. Moving to our next portion, I'm just going to be clipping all of those hair out of the way so we can concentrate on this portion. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you're the real G. Thank you for always coming back. And if it's your first time on here, you're super welcome. Do well to join the family by clicking on the red subscribe button below. Also turn on post notifications so you get notified every time I upload a video on here. I'm Chinonso Okoronkwo, a Lagos Nigerian based hairstylist, makeup artist and fashion enthusiast, and on this channel I film about all things beauty, fashion and lifestyle. I upload 3 times every week, so make it a date with me, okay? So one thing I can say is that the detangling process gets easier as you go, okay? This portion is not as stressful as the nape area is. I mean the previous portion is less stressful, so I feel like it gets easier as you go, right? You guys, I wanted to apologize for the quality of lighting of this video. I know it's not so great. I had a bit of constraint while filming this video. I had a bit of issues with lights, and I hope you guys can see a bit to some extent of what I was doing. Apologies, you guys. I promise to do better next time. I promise to do better. You guys, on a more serious note, I promise to do better next time, okay? Thank you. So it's pretty much repeating the same thing we did on the previous portion, and I'm just going to leave you guys to see and watch what I do, and I'll talk to you guys in a minute. For the top part, what I did is to spray some of that water conditioner mixture. I went in with some amount of the leave-in conditioner. I rubbed that in, and then to emphasize the parts, I went in with a rat tail comb to make sure that the part is as clean as it can be. Then using my white tooth comb, I just went ahead to brush everything out. And I used this smaller comb to further smoothen things out. So before the reveal, I thought to show you guys where we were coming from, like what it was we were working with. Yes, this is the before of the wig we just worked on, and I'm gonna show you guys the end results in a jiffy. Wow, 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 wow. I think this is a beautiful transformation. I think this is good. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Do you think I did a good job? Do you think I did a good job? I absolutely can rock this wig like this, but because a tiny little bit extra, I went into do a bantu knot out on it, like to add some more curls to it, and it even came out looking way nicer than this. If you guys want to see how I curled it without using heat, because it's not a 100% human hair like I mentioned before, please let me know in the comments below and I'll be sure to do that. It came out even way better than this, but I just thought to show you guys this. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up, like this video, share with family and friends, subscribe if you already haven't, and leave me a comment in the section below, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.